I know it's coming. Wow. That was awesome. Also a little scary considering a building by Rob's work got struck by lightning today. But dang, look at this storm. Wow. My whole house is dark, but it keeps getting lit up by this, and it's super loud. Oh man, the lightning's coming again. I feel it. Dang. I'm sending this video to everybody so you guys see what a real storm's like. We do not get storms like this on the West Coast. Oh my gosh. Can't wait for one more lightning strike and then I'm going to turn off my camera. There it was.